Good morning all. I hope you guys are doing great. Student, today we discuss about how to create a texture for particular product designing and any other object in 3ds Max, and we can also use it for interior and exterior designing texturing. Now how to start texture any object. Okay. And first you can create any object, like we want use particular this box to create a texture map. Okay, now select a subject. You can simply select it. Okay, and press M, or here is the option material editor. Okay, select a material editor. Short command is M. You can also place M on keyboard and simply open your material editor. We have a lots of material options here. We can manage all these materials, apply with different objects. Okay, now first go to mode. We have two mode for particular this material editor. First is compact mode, and second is stylized material editor mode. Okay, we can manage all this according to. Now select. Okay, here is a slide mode. ठीक है, material editor, and we can also use a compact mode material editor. Okay, now select and change compact mode. First we can use a compact mode for a material. Okay, here is a default material. We can simply select any material. We can select the first one, and we have option 01 default material. We can change rename for material. Okay, we can change just box material. Then we can apply this particular this box. We have a chair, table. We can change material name according to object. Okay, now change box, first material editor. Okay, and here is the standard material. Is a standard material. We can use first standard material. Okay, next option is shader basic parameters. Okay, here is a different type of shader. You can change according to. We have a simple use of texture, board and texture, so we can use a simple plain material. If you have a texture this box with metal, so you can change a metal. You can use a multi-layer option. You can use a foam is a specular basic material. We can change all this according to our object. Okay, now select first plane. You can use a plane object. Okay, now here is a different other options. We can discuss about all this after. Okay, now second is plain basic parameters. Okay, we have a first ambient color. We can change ambient color, but here is a diffuse. You can change a diffuse color. Okay, diffuse color is all over color of object, real color. Okay, we can simply click on it, and here is a color selection mode open. Okay, we have used grayscale. Also change the brightness of grayscale. We can change a color with particular this gray color. Okay, now other color we can simply click here and place color what you want. You can place your point value. Okay, then you have other options. You can manage a red value more. You can manage a green value more. You can change a blue. Okay, you can create a particular number code. You can assign number code and simply change your color. Here is a hue option. You can change convert to particular this color to different color. Okay, with help of hue option. Now next option is saturation. You can also manage a saturation color, a dark to light color. So you can easily manage a selected color and change a saturation. You can also create a number for hue and saturation value. Next is value. You can also manage a value. Okay, you can make any color with help of RGB color mode. Okay, now when you select a color, you can simply here is a old color, here is the new change color. We can change, press OK for this. We can change our basic color. Okay, now we can use particular this color for a option, then press OK. We can simply change our color to different value. Okay, when you change a color diffuse, you can simply go to assign material to selected object. First you select your object, then go to assign material and selected object, click here. Simply your our color is assigned to particular object. Okay, next option here, one more option. We can change material color according to this particular bar. You can also pick color tool. You can change a color with your pick color tool with help of pick color tool. Okay, select this one. You can easily change. Select this one. You can use yellow color for particular this. Okay, you can select again pick color tool, and you can go to anywhere of your software and change your color what you want. Okay, this is one more important tool to create a change color for particular this. And next one is reset. Here is the option, you can also reset your color. So then when you reset, default color is assigned for particular this. Okay, then press OK. Your color is assigned this object. Okay. Next option is here. We can go to diffuse, and here is the option map option. Okay, here is none map, and you can assign a map for particular diffuse color. Diffuse color is all over color of your object. Now select a map. Okay, when we click on here, our map window browser is open. We can select maps option. Now here is lots of different type of map. We can simply select our map, bitmap. Okay, double click on it. Now when double click on a particular bitmap option, we have a browser option here. We can select our image for texture. Okay, and we have lots of default textures here. First you can go to program file. Okay, see, then go to a program file. We have option Autodesk. Select Autodesk, and here is Autodesk 18. We can select this one, and here is option map. Okay, press M. Here is option map. Select map. We have a different texture and map here for applying a texture. Okay, we can change and select here some wall textures, some cloth textures, and some other different kind of textures. Okay, go to back. We have some wooden material texture. Now we can select a wooden texture here. We can also select a wall texture here. Okay, so select any wall texture and open it. When you apply a wall for assigned material, okay, but our texture is not a view on viewport. What you do, go to here, so states material in viewport. Okay, click on it. When you click particular this, your material simply show on viewport. Okay, this is a bitmap texting value. Next is we can assign a bump map for particular this for real 3D effect. Okay, here is a go back option. Okay, now click on here. When we start our window, we can assign here. Now go to again. Here is basic down. You have option map option. Okay, now we have lots of different type of option. Starting we can use a diffuse color. we can also use a bump map color. Okay, we can select this one, go to a non-map, select bitmap. Okay, now we have other map is a black and white map for bump. Okay, we can use uh, bump map for particular this object, and here we can use black and white map for this. Okay, now select this one and press OK. Okay, this is our bump map. Then go to our back option, and we can double click on it, so we can check bump value here. This default, hide this one. This is a flat color. Okay, now on bump map. After on bump map, it's the 3D values color. Okay, you can increase the bump value also, so you can easily view or changes according to bump map. Okay, but we need a small value of bump map, so this 3D effect also soft texture. Okay, we can use particular this. Okay, now we can view our object. Okay, go to render option and simple render your object, so we can easily view our texture. Okay, zoom it, and if we have other options, short command is render. Okay, now we can easily view our object and with 3D texture. Okay, now we have option change our bump value and diffuse color value and diffuse map. Okay, and we can use diffuse map for particular this. We can use bitmap for particular assign map. Okay, I hope you guys are understand how to create and how to assign any texture on any object. Okay, and we can also change, it's a box option. We can also use a sphere and tube and other object. Okay, and how to manage all this texture, we have other one option. Select this one, go to a modifier. Here is the modifier panel. You can select object first, then go to a modifier, and here is a one option, map scale. Okay, select this one as a modifier. You can change your map scale value. Okay, we can increase the number, and you can see particular this. We can change a map value and map size with help of map scaler value. Okay, this is one other option to create and assign your map properly and manage your map according to help of map scaler value. Okay, next, first is scale value. You can manage scale. Second one is u offset. You can also manage your map u, it means a white y axis values. Okay, you can assign, look here, end part. Okay, here cut, we can assign this cut is end of the object. We can easily manage this according to end of the value. Okay, it's a u, and we can also v offset. Okay, so now you can change a value. Here is other options. We can apply particular this, change the, okay, p value. We can easily manage x and y axis. We can manage u offset and v offset with help of particular these numbers. Okay, here is the warp texture. We can also use a warp texture. You can check and uncheck, manage your texture with warp value. We have a channel. We can use a channel for particular this. so we can change our value according to channel. Here is a up direction. Okay, up direction we can use value z-axis. We can change uh, is world z-axis, we can manage it. Okay, but default value is local x z-axis for up direction. Okay, now I hope you guys are understand how to manage particular this texture with help of map scaler. Okay, it's a modifier, and we can easily manage our texture with help of map scaler.